So things are starting to look a lot different in terms of what's cleared. And we can now kind of envision the driveway. But for a short period of time, or maybe a long period of time, I guess we'll see, we're going to have something special here. You want to tell us about it?
So what's going to go here is the bandsaw mill. Some people just set them up on two half logs on the dirt, but I wanted to do something that's a little bit more stable than that. So came in here, dug out the stumps, flattened it out, added a little bit of fill dirt, packed it, and then yeah, there's stumps everywhere. And now I got this side. All the piers are exactly level with each other, and now I'm leveling the piers on this side. And after the bandsaw mill goes on to these two strips of wood, it's going to be precision leveled using the laser, but the laser is only visible at night, so we can't use the laser during the day.
Gonna be cool when it's all put together.
Oh yeah.